Welcome back, Crammers. Question 13. Hazel is buying a snack and a drink. She can have a bar of chocolate or some fruit or a packet of crisps as her snack. She can then have orange juice or apple juice or water as her snack. Write down all the possible combinations Hazel can have. So we can see here, she can start off with chocolate, that's B, and then she can choose juice, or again, she can choose chocolate and apple juice, or again, she can have chocolate and water. Then again, she can change her mind and not have chocolate to begin with. Instead, she can have fruit with orange juice, or she can have fruit with apple juice, or she can have fruit with water. And then again, she can either choose crisps with orange juice, crisps with apple juice, and crisps with water. And that's actually our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.